In this video I'm going to show you how to download and install the game Half-Life Alyx on your PC. So if you buy games at Steam, it can get really expensive, especially the latest ones. Plus downloading from random websites can lead to viruses. And nobody wants that. But don't worry, in this video I will show you how to download this game without overspending and keeping your PC safe. So for the first step we will need to open our Google browser, and before we start I would like to ask you to subscribe to our channel and like the video. Once you have done that, we are going to locate this game first on Steam and then we can proceed to another website. So go to the Steam website and after that search for the game Half-Life Alyx and it will pop up. So select it, scroll a little bit down, and as you can see this is a quite expensive game. It is a VR only game, so watch that. And if we would like to get this game, then we need to go to the video description, click on the link where it says find game here, and then you will be redirected to this website. Now for the next step we need to search for the game again, and we will search for the game. Once you have done that, select games on the left side, and after that sort by price lowest first. And as you can see, we can already purchase this game for just €9.52 instead of €58.99. So this will save you a lot of money while downloading games online. And what you can do is purchase this game for just under €10. And once you have purchased this game, then you will receive an email confirmation with all the steps to follow, including an account for Steam to download this game and play it on your PC. It is completely legit, so don't worry. And yeah, once you have bought it, then you are able to play it on your PC. Hopefully this video was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and we would love to see you in our next tutorial. Cheers guys!